what's going on? So what issue are you having with this deputy over here?
He said, I'm gonna tow you to shit. Like,
Espanola in Arriba County, man.
yeah, I know, I understand, but I didn't know it was illegal.
Ignorance doesn't deter from the law, man.
Yeah,
Just because you're ignorant to the law doesn't mean it doesn't still apply.
I know, but that's the attitude too. I tell him, like, oh, it's illegal, I could go get, I live across the street, I could get a trailer like in 2 minutes. Like, oh, no, stay there, I'm gonna race you, I'm gonna put you in handcuffs.
Were you acting like a fool? Were you being crazy?
No, I told this guy, oh, so it's illegal, let me clean it, and I have my dad bring the trailer, my brother.
Okay.
Like,
I don't know what he said, man. I wasn't here, okay?
No,
so arguing with me isn't going to change anything.
I have a video anyway.
That's like, fine. I'm recording too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, he does too. But he came with the attitude.
So?
Not me.
All right. Step over there, please. I don't like people being close to me.
No, and then, no, usually...
Step over there. I don't like people... I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
No, I was going to explain you. Like,
Step over there. I don't like people being close to me.
Okay. So I can leave, or I'll call to bring me a trailer?
What do you not understand, bro?
Huh?
What do you not understand?
So I call and get a trailer?
No.
Why not?
Because I told you I'm going to tow it.
Why?
Because, really?
It's not on the road right now.
I don't care. Did you drive it here? Yeah, that's how you pull it. Yeah, so you're gonna lie about that now?
No.
You gonna play that game?
No.
Yeah. I didn't see you drive in?
Yeah, but I didn't know it was
Okay.
illegal. But now that I know it's illegal, I could go get a trailer from.
I'm done with your guys' shit, bro. I'm done with it. You can, I'll call a tow truck and you guys can go get to the tow yard. Is that what you guys want?
Sure, it doesn't matter. Whatever works for you, but you don't seem to be cooperating.
Well, you told me no, I'm not.
No, well, what's the point?
Because they're not, bro.
We're doing nothing.
Do you not understand? They're not supposed to be here.
Watch your vehicle, and after you got
They're
done,
not supposed to be here.
I saw you looking at me. I can expect while you're watching the vehicle.
Oh, and I would have chased you. Right?
I would have stopped. So
You would have stopped?
yeah, I would have.
Okay. Okay. Can you guys assure me that these fuckers won't be on the road anymore? No more. No? Yes or no?
I told you, I thought it was.
What about you?
It was.
Because you'll be on the road still, right?
I ride a lot, sir. I'll be honest with you. If you don't want him in town, then you don't.
Dude, it cannot be in. Let me tell you this.
Is there like an ordinance?
Yes, there is.
Yes,
There's a county ordinance. Let me tell you this. The only place you can ride those is on forest roads.
County roads?
Nope. Forest roads. You listening?
Yes, sir.
And in Chama. They're the only people, they're the only one in the county that has a resolution form. You can't ride them on the roads. You can ride them on the side of the roads. In Chama. You cannot ride them on the roads in Chama, right? You understand that, right? Because it's being recorded. You cannot ride them on the pavement roads anywhere. You can drive them on the side of the roads. Chama will also allow you to cross a road to get to the other side. You cannot ride them on the roads. Chama in Rio Arriba County is the only place that you guys can ride those on the side of the road. Do you understand that? Okay. How are you going to assure me that, which is very, very unthinkable? I'll pick it out of everything. They're not going to be on this road anymore. Yeah. Okay, but what about tomorrow? And what about the next day? And the next day when all your buddies are saying, let's go ride.
Well, I just want to stay fair for the same thing instead of going over everybody else.
I will.
If I still have...
We just got out. We just got released. We're on a phase 2. We can pull a whole bunch of traffic unless
right there. Operating an OHV on a limited access highway or freeway.
Look at the side. Look at the.
Any paved street or highway. First offense is $261, and anything after that it's $461, and we impound your vehicle.
So then this is the first offense?
Yeah, it's $261.
So then you can't...
Oh, I can tow it. Yeah.
No, we can tow it.
Yeah, I can still tow it.
Alright. Thank you for showing me that.
There's signs posted everywhere.
I don't understand what you guys don't get it, man. You haven't seen any of them?
I understand already. Like I told you, if you let me go for my vehicle, like 2 minutes honest with you, I live in Bali States.
I
And
want
where?
you to understand why we're being so hard about this shit.
No, you came with that. Don't, like,
You're right, and I will have an
like, you
attitude
went,
again.
like, don't touch me or you're gonna see what's gonna happen.
No, you didn't give me your driver's license because you
don't-
said
I
you
don't
didn't have
have it
one,
with me.
and then you continue to wash your bike, and that ain't gonna happen.
Sure.
This is my county.
I
You
know.
understand that?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, so you're gonna do what I tell you to do. Bottom line. Bottom line. I have full authority in this county. In the city, outside the
have
city,
rights too,
in Chama.
No, I understand you have rights, okay? But our job allows us to supersede some of those rights
But when
in
you
order
do
to
it
protect the
a person
public.
Like that, it's not right. You didn't do the right thing. Like,
Yeah, you done?
Yeah.
Being a
I'm
jackass?
school board member, man. This is fucking crazy.
Well, maybe you should think about that, right?
I didn't do nothing.
You didn't give me your ID right away? Or you did? Huh?
I told you I was gonna make a call.
No.
You said, okay, go ahead. So I went.
No, and then I said, let me have your driver's license, and you didn't want to give it to me, right? I don't care if you're a school board member. I could care less who you are.
I didn't say.
Maybe is this what you teach your kids? Lean forward. Lean forward. Lean forward. Next time somebody asks you for your driver's license, give it to them. Wow, maybe other people would like to see the way you're acting since this is all recorded. If you're a school board member, wow. A little bit of power, man, and you guys go crazy with it, huh? Crazy. How old are you?
20.
20? You're a school board member?
Yes.
For who, what school? Wow. That's how you act, huh? You did do something wrong, dude. What do you not understand about that? You cannot drive this. You cannot drive this on the road. Okay, I'm gonna explain something to you. You can't drive this on the road. Okay, when an officer asks for your license, you got to give it to him. That's concealing identity. I'm catching a huge break on that. You understand that? Okay. Can you assure me? I think you are being honest. I don't think you'll drive it on the road anymore.
I have 4 trucks, like
Okay,
6 trailers, like.
Okay.
I thought it was
Can
so
you
easy,
assure
like,
me
to
this
drive
ain't
it
gonna
on
be on the
one
road
lane.
anymore?
Because I've seen a lot
Are
of
you sure?
people do it.
Please tell your friends.
It's not allowed, man. Yeah, now I know.
Tell them to get them off
Now
the road.
next time I wanna watch
Why would you guys want to drive them in the city anyway? What's the point? They're off-road vehicles. I know, but you said you drive it a lot through here.
How dirty was mine? It wasn't for being on the riverside.
I didn't see it, man.
Yeah, this guy's not.
What was your name? I didn't catch it. Brandon what? All right, go. Get it home. Don't drive it no more. Just take it home. Take it home. Go now. I'm so fucking done with you.